The vowels of the alphabet are not mere sounds. They are expressions of the divine, and as such, they are not amenable to the doctrine of bimba pratibimba, or the division into an original and its reflection. The vowels always represent Shiva on every level, whether primordial pada or the ultimate Vaikari. They are the unchanging ground, the constant source. Varna, or letter, starts in para and pashyanti. Mantra, or word, starts in madhyama, or parapara. And pada, or sentence, starts in vaikari, or apara. This maps the descent of the word from its unified source into differentiated forms. Purification means that in sadhana, or spiritual discipline, that which is in vaikari has to be raised to the level of vana in pashyanti and para. This is a journey of return, an absorption of the differentiated back into the undifferentiated. The vowels, representing the unchanging Shiva principle, are the stable ground